I have a Giulietti accordion in very nice condition. It's the model MF32. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons with 3 switches on the treble side with a low and middle reed. We have 3 switches, and this is what the switches sound like. Bassoon, master, clarinets. We have 2 switches on the bass. This is a very nice looking classic look accordion. It's fairly lightweight for being a full-size accordion. It's fairly light, it's fairly compact. Has a very retro looking grill. It's actually very classic looking accordion. I'll play something so you can hear what it sounds like.